Here comes the judge. We have a 1970 Pontiac GTO Judge, Ram Air 3 engine, 4-speed, nice frame-off restoration. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Or you can scan the QR code and it'll bring you right to this car. But for right now, join me and let's go for a spin. Yeah, nice looking car. Is built in California. It was sold to Wisconsin. Here's the Pontiac Historical document that verifies it's a real Judge 4-speed car. So the hood has functional scoops. All that's clean, straight. The fender's looking really nice. The gaps are real nice. Clean at the bottom. Doors looking really good. Gaps are nice. The curves, everything lines up beautifully. Door opens easily. Jambs are nice. Shuts like a new car. The roof is beautiful. On each side right here is a little imperfection in the paint. That's where the seam is for the quarter panel. Trunk's looking real nice, clean, smooth, lines up square and flush. All this is nice. Look how the bumper fits the body real nice. Look at how the moldings fit the body real nicely. All the way down, clean, straight. There's a little chip in the paint right there. Jambs real nice. Bottom of the door is super clean. I didn't think I closed it hard enough, but it's still shut real nice. I think the body's excellent on this car. All looking real nice, clean. Bottom of the fenders are clean. And now the rubber bumper up front here. These are rubber nose. Here's a hairline crack right there. All this is nice. A lot of times this is touched up. That's never been bumped or nicked. That all looks really good. I only seen that one hairline crack and it's down low. Bumper fits beautifully. Repainted its original polar white color and it's polished out very smooth and glossy. I seen that one touch up on the door over there, and again, just a little like imperfection in the paint. You can see on both sides there. And other than that, it is slick. Now, being a Judge, it has the spoiler. It has these very vibrant decals. And I just learned this. This is supposed to kind of duplicate the 300 SL. They had kind of a flare over each wheel well, and that's where they got the inspiration from. The Judge, the bumper's chrome, taillights look real nice as the quad tips. The rear window's original glass, and it has some scratches and some water spots on it. Eventually, if I owned the car, I'd probably want to change that eventually. The rubber seals are real nice. Door handles are real nice. The moldings all look to be very good. A few little dents on the rear window molding, but the rest of them look real nice. And you might be wondering why the wheels don't have trim rings. Well, the Judges didn't come with trim rings, so that's a 15-inch Rally 2 wheel with the Pontiac center caps. They're wrapped in BF Goodrich tires. The chrome bezels up front are real nice. The grills are real nice. So overall, very good looking car, and I'm very impressed with the body itself. Very clean. Let's open it up, check out that red interior. All right, I'm going to show you a clean trunk compartment. Under the trunk lid, nice and clean. It's got the sticker, the latch is clean, and this bottom lip is real nice and dry. The jamb is real nice and clean, and this looks like a factory seam as well. I am really getting the impression the body is very nice on this car. Look at inside the trunk. Look at the metal. It's just spotless. There's no patching or anything. All the seams are nice and clean. I don't feel a seam for a quarter panel. Probably the original quarters. Comes with a bag of money too, or maybe a car cover. One of the two. Now, when you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon so you're notified when the videos are posted. Yeah, the jambs are nice, and the lip at the bottom of the door is really nice. Weather strips are replaced. Boy, this red interior just pops against the white. The door panel is pristine and straight, and The window cranks are shiny. The armrests look great. The dash pad is real nice. I'm sure it's been replaced. This has the gauges, not the dummy lights. And it also has a tachometer and this wood grain and the machine turn trim. Everything's real nice. This is an updated retro digital stereo. Has the Judge emblem. Owner's manual. Now, I mentioned Pontiac Historical Documents. They have the original microfilm, and you can pay them a fee and get the paperwork. Here's this car's VIN number, the Judge, the posi, the 4-speed. That's all right there. Kick panels and vents are real nice. Carpets are real nice, bright red. Reproduction Pontiac mats. Center console's mint. Part of the Judge package was the T-handle on the Hurst shifter. The seats have been rebuilt. It's like a drum. Nice and tight and firm and all fits beautifully. And the headrests look great. Seat back, all this is looking really nice, clean. Same thing back here. Carpet fits real nice. Got the reproduction mats. Full set of GM seat belts. And wall to wall looks to be in great shape. It's all been replaced. Has the mesh speaker tray with some 6x9 speakers to go with the retro stereo. This just gets tucked in there. And then the headliner, nice bright red, looking really good. You got the shoulder belts, you got working light, you got nice matching visors. The mirror's probably been replaced. Reproduction deluxe steering wheel, and it's on a tilt column. And then down below here for the Ram Air, you can open and close it. If bad weather, you close it up. And yeah, really nice interior. I'd call this interior exceptional. Looks like it's been all replaced. Now it's a Ram Air 3 engine, 400 cubic inch, 366 horsepower. It is a correct Ram Air engine. Stock manifold, the correct heads, stock carburetor underneath there. The right chrome valve covers look new. It has the Ram Air exhaust manifold, so it's all proper, correct. Firewall's clean. Pretty simple, not a lot of clutter. You have the dust shields. All the metal is nice and clean. All smooth, not all crusty. The shroud looks proper. The components all nice, lined up nice. It has spring clamp battery cables, reproduction hoses and clamps, power steering, even has the heat riser tube, power brakes with cadmium booster, squirters are all hooked up. And then yes, that Ram Air actually comes in through these ports and forced right into the engine. Michael's going to show you how nice it runs, and we'll see in a few minutes.
Here comes the Judge. That 400 is sounding proper. This is Ram Air 3 version, generating 366 horsepower. And we got that paired up with that 4-speed manual trans, which is always a blast to throw around. Gorgeous frame-off restoration here. Totally digging the color combo. Red interior you're not going to find everywhere, but get on our website and check out pictures of the undercarriage. You won't be disappointed. Let's see what she's got. All right, then we're doing 60 miles an hour just like that. Very peppy engine there. Absolutely no shortage of horsepower. She's a strong runner, really dialed in. Suspension feels great going over all these cracks in the road. Let's see how it goes down the street. Really nice build here. And she's ready to drive. I think the new owner is going to be really happy and know that they got an absolute winner of a car. So come down to the museum, test drive it if you'd like to, and check out all the details at volocars.com.
So as I said earlier, as a frame-off restoration, everything underneath is detailed, rebuilt, and it all looks stock. This has the rally suspension, which includes front and rear sway bars, boxed rear control arms, and again, all the steering, suspension, the springs, the shocks, all looks to be very nice and clean. Disc brakes in front, drum in back, e-brakes hooked up, all that's working properly. The fuel system was replaced, including the tank. This always cracks me up. It looks like they slammed it on someone's head. Boy, everything shuts nice, lines up nice. Factory type dual exhaust with those quad tips going out through the valance. You look up at the motor, it's real nice and clean. The starter's clean. It has a Muncie 4-speed transmission, a correct transmission. The rear end is the original. I think it has 331 gears in it. And the floors are just dry and spotless. So I think what you've got here is a really nice, clean car to begin with that was restored. And supposedly it was a one owner for 30 years. Gentleman I bought it from purchased it from that gentleman. So go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get your 70 GTO Judge delivered home. And if you need financing, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.